Understanding the basic principle of a micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifuge is crucial for grasping how it works and its fundamental operating principles. Basic principle: centrifugal force. Definition: force acting radially outward on objects rotating around a central axis. Importance: separates particles based on density and size. Refrigeration system. Component: built-in cooling system, maintains a controlled temperature. Purpose: prevents sample degradation and ensures consistent conditions. Rapid rotation. Speed: capable of spinning at very high speeds, up to 20,000 rounds per minute or more. Effect: accelerates particle separation and sedimentation. Rotor design. Variety: different rotor types, fixed angle, swinging bucket, etc. accommodate various sample containers. Function: distributes samples evenly and maximizes separation efficiency. Sample containers. Requirement: uses small tubes or microtubes to hold samples. Purpose: facilitates high throughput processing and precise sample handling. Control panel. Feature: user-friendly interface for setting speed, time, and temperature. Importance: enables precise control over the centrifugation process. The basic principle of a micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifuge involves using centrifugal force to separate particles while maintaining a controlled temperature to preserve sample integrity. To learn more about our range of micro-high-speed refrigerated centrifuges, or if you have any questions regarding their basic principles, please contact me through my email provided on my homepage. I will respond within 24 hours.